Good evening and welcome to Trending Tonight. I'm Sanket Upadhyay. This is the only show on primetime Indian television where we care to explain the news behind the trend. Let's quickly take a look at the two stories that we are tracking at this moment. Story number one, Ramdev's wonder drug has left the government wondering because they do not know what this is. All this while we were seeing that there was a lot of talk about HCQ or even Remdesivir. But now, look what we have. From Remdesivir to Ramdesivir. Coronil, is it capable? This is the big question. Is it capable of fighting corona? Or is this a case of Baba Ramdev going overboard with a marketing claim? And at the end of the day, this is just an immunity boosting capsule. And also, if this is really the cure for coronavirus, were the due processes followed? Because we'll tell you in just a short moment, apparently they weren't. That's story number one. And story number two, there's so much politics happening around China, claim versus counterclaim. This claim is national, this claim is anti-national, speaking like that country, speaking like this country. Well, when the BJP was in the opposition, what exactly did they do? We have dug deep into the BJP's own website, bjp.org, to be able to decode the China statements then, when it was in the opposition, and the China statements being made now. And then we'll leave it to your better judgment. But first, let's begin the show with our story number one. So what exactly is this entire controversy? We need to understand, you need to be explained what exactly this controversy is for us to understand better. The government has questioned Ramdev's claim of a 7-day corona cure. In his press conference, he said that we found this drug which will cure coronavirus within 7 days. He claims to have 100% results. The government says that the details of the Patanjali COVID-19 medicine is not known. So then what is the process? Tomorrow anyone can come in, claim that they've got the cure, claim they've got the medicine, but then there is a due process that needs to be followed. So the government says that the details have not been followed. The government has told Baba Ramdev that you should provide composition details of medicine and the research conducted, because this is a prerequisite. Everybody needs to do this. Government has also told Baba Ramdev that you must stop advertising and publicizing these claims till issue is examined. So from a scientific temperament, the government is trying to tell Baba Ramdev that you cannot claim that you have found the cure. You cannot claim and advertise that you have found the cure till such time that there is complete satisfaction that it really is the cure. After all, the whole world is trying. So what really is the claim? Now, Ramdev's COVID cure claim, let's quickly take a look at that. He says that Coronil, which is the capsule that he spoke about today, and Swasari is developed based on research and trials on 280 patients. Now, is that the norm? Can a trial on 280, alleged trial or reported trial on 280 patients, is that enough? He then says, or his company says, medicines showed 100% favorable results in clinical trials. Now, who conducted these clinical trials? Was the government aware of this? Then he also goes on to say that within 3 days, 69% of the patients recovered. Right? What is the composition of those medicines? Then many would ask. How is it curing people? 69% of those who showed symptoms. And then he says the trials on people on ventilator support is still to be done, which means that in serious or critical cases, that is still to be done. Now the big question is that if it cannot cure, or if it has not been tried on people with critical illness who are on ventilator support, then what really does this medicine do? Well, it turns out that for that you will have to look into the composition of this medicine. So here is Patanjali's Corona kit. What does it have? It consists of tablets named Coronil, Swasari Vati, and an oil called Anu oil. That's the total kit, right? Now what does it have? It has active compounds of Ashwagandha, Giloy and Tulsi, which has been used in the medicine. Ramdev claims that there are over 100 compounds used in Coronil, and Patanjali prescribes 2 tablets with hot water half an hour after each meal. But the big point is, and let's quickly roll this graphic from the top, this last graphic, where point number 2 talks about the active component. Let's go to the second point. That is the key point. The active compounds are ashwagandha, giloy and tulsi, which has been used in the medicine. By the way, these 3 compounds have been recommended even by the Ayush Ministry. And once you deep dive into the composition of this medicine, you realize that this is preventive cure. This is not a capsule which will cure you. It is something which will boost your immunity. These are immunity boosting capsules. So is it wrong to claim that this is going to cure coronavirus? Let's quickly take a look at Balakrishna, Acharya Balakrishna, who is the MD of Patanjali Ayurved. Only very recently, after the Ayush Ministry ordered them to take down their advertisements, has he tweeted, that's full frame on your screen, where he says that there is a communication gap, and this is a randomized placebo-controlled clinical trials that have been done. Standard parameters have been used. After that he says, सबको 100% fulfill किया है, इसकी सारी जानकारी हमने आयुष मंत्रालय को दे दी है. That means we have satisfied everyone 100%, and all those details have been provided to the Ayush Ministry. Now, has that happened? Let's quickly bring, before we enter into a debate, let's first listen in to what Baba Ramdev had to say. In fact, he did respond to all those criticizing him also. Let's listen in.
हमने यह कोरोनिल नाम की आयुर्वेदिक औषधि इस संसार को कोरोना मुक्त करने के लिए एक उपहार के रूप में दी है. अब इसको हम जो क्रिटिकल पेशेंट्स हैं उसके ऊपर भी सेकंड ट्रायल इसका करेंगे. 7 दिन के अंदर 100% रोगी नेगेटिव हो गए. ये बहुत बड़ी बात. जिनका हाजमा डॉक्टर साहब ठीक नहीं, उनको शायद ये बात डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रही होगी कि ये कैसे हो सकता है कि 3 दिन के अंदर 69% रोगी नेगेटिव हो जाएं और 7 दिन के अंदर 100% रोगी नेगेटिव हो गए. ये बहुत बड़ी बात.
Dinesh Upadhyay is a member of the Ayush Ministry, is now with us. Thank you very much, Mr. Upadhyay. And Professor Geeta Bhatt is a political analyst. Thank you very much, Professor Bhatt, for joining us. Before I come to you, Professor Bhatt, I think it's important to go to Mr. Dinesh Upadhyay. Dinesh जी, मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ, ऐसा दावा करना कि कोरोना का ये रामबाण इलाज है, कि करीब 70% लोग 3 दिन में ठीक हो जाएंगे और 100% लोग सही हो जाएंगे 14 दिन में, आपको लगता है ये दावे सही हैं?
संकेत जी, ये राष्ट्र है, इसमें सभी को अपनी बात कहने का अधिकार है और भाषा नियंत्रित हो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. अभी मैंने आपके चैनल पे सुना है कि बाबा बोल रहे हैं कि जिसका हाजमा ठीक नहीं है उसको ये बात हजम नहीं होगी, उनको प्रॉब्लम होगी. कि इसका मतलब आयुष मंत्रालय ने भी इसको हजम नहीं किया, इसका मतलब सरकार का भी हाजमा खराब है. एक तो ये भाषा आपत्तिजनक है, नहीं बोलना चाहिए. ऊपर से जो बाबा रामदेव जी ने दावा किया है, इस प्रकार के किसी दावे का आयुष मंत्रालय समर्थन नहीं करता. हम लोगों ने अपना काढ़ा का बनाया था, आयुष मंत्रालय की गाइडलाइंस दी थी. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी बोला है कि आयुष की गाइडलाइन को फॉलो करें, योगा करें रोजाना, गिलोय, तुलसी और अश्वगंधा वगैरह ये सब लोग मिला करके पिए. ये हम लोग पहले से कह रहे हैं, लेकिन ऐसी विषय के अंदर इतने विपत्ति काल में इस तरह से उसको टैबलेट का ला करके दवाई की फॉर्म दे करके और उसको बेचना, वो क्वेश्चन मार्क है. ये चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं है कि इस तरह का दावा करना. और अब तक मेरे पास भी काफ़ी लोग आए हैं अब अपनी दवाइयाँ लेकर के, लेकिन आयुष मंत्रालय ने अभी किसी दवाई को इस तरह से नहीं कहा कि कोई नाम दे करके कोरोना की मेडिसिन कह करके दवाई बेची जाए.
करेक्ट. ओके.
ऐसा कोई समर्थन सरकार ने नहीं किया.
आपने समर्थन नहीं किया. बट प्रोफेसर भट्ट, you see what the Ayush Ministry seems to be saying, that you cannot claim to have found the cure for a virus for which the whole world is struggling. Right? There is research happening. I by no way or no means am suggesting that we should mock any effort that is happening in India. In fact, it will be a matter of great pride for all of us if the cure for coronavirus comes from India. I mean, we have given the world some amazing medicines, right? Ayurveda has the answer, but not all. So to claim that this is the corona cure, don't you think that this is a wrong claim?
Well, I do partially agree with you, and you see, Patanjali Ayurveda, it established itself in a very short duration of time as the indigenous brand of pharmacy of Ayurveda, and also gave a very tough competition to a large number of multinationals and FMGC giants, in diverse products. And there are a large number of people in the country who have a lot of trust in many of their products. However, when they have come out, with this medicine, which they are claiming that can cure corona, you see, they have come out with it is very much important to note that when there is a ministry which is dealing with Ayurveda medicine, it is very important to apprise them of any kind of medicine which is being developed, especially when it is something which is as sensitive.
No, Professor, but you started your comment by saying that he's got a lot of following. People find the products that Patanjali has to offer. One more, Patanjali Ayurveda has to offer a lot of products, and people trust him. He's very popular with his products. Do you think that at a time like this, a claim being made that this is the cure for coronavirus is wrong? Because then, in that case, you're betraying the people's trust. Whereas, essentially, what you're offering is just a preventive cure. You're offering an immunity booster.
Yes,
this is not corona's cure.
I am actually coming to that. I said that some of his products, people have a lot of trust. I mean, personally.
Do you think that this claim was wrong?
You see, yes, it is very important. I think that if such an important medicine has been found as it is being claimed, then it is very important to apprise the ministry, the government branch which is actually looking into this, developing of this kind of a medicine and is related to Ayurveda. So here it is very important. You see how much. It is only a representative of Patanjali who can actually come out and claim it. But what they have been saying is that they have followed the guidelines.
One moment. To claim that medicines has shown 100% favorable results, trials on 280 patients. मैं दिनेश जी आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, क्या ये प्रक्रिया है किसी दवाई को सफल होने की, या दवाई को ऐसे बता देना कि ये इलाज के लिए फिट है, कि अगर ट्रायल 280 मरीजों पे हुआ हो, दावा ये हो कि 100% ये फेवरेबल है और 70% लोग 3 दिन में ठीक हो जाते हैं? क्या इतना दावा काफी है एक दवाई को मार्केट में उतारने के लिए?
ये दरअसल क्या है कि ये चीज़ें अच्छी नहीं है। बाकी मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ प्रक्रिया क्या है। कोई भी किसी भी प्रकार की किसी भी रोग की मेडिसिन, वो आयुर्वेद की हो, होम्योपैथी की हो, एलोपैथी की हो या यूनानी हो, उसको बाकायदा सरकार के तहत एक सिस्टम है, उसका ढांचा है, उसके अधिकारी हैं। वहाँ से जब तक ऑथेंटिक सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आता, किसी को भी राष्ट्र के अंदर किसी दवाई को बेचने का अधिकार नहीं होता। फिर ऊपरी स्तर से अगर कोई देता है तो उसका वो खुद ही जिम्मेवार होगा। लेकिन जहाँ तक किसी चीज़ का सेंटिमेंटल के साथ ये इस तरह से ये आघात करना कि ये जो 3 चीज़ हैं, तुलसी, गिलोय और अश्वगंधा, मैं मानता हूँ ये इम्यूनिटी पावर को बढ़ाएंगी और शरीर के अंदर एक एनर्जी देंगी, और इससे किसी भी रोग को, सिर्फ कोरोना का ही विषय नहीं है, किसी भी रोग को, किसी भी वायरस को, किसी भी बैक्टीरिया को उस बॉडी के अंदर एंटर करने में प्रॉब्लम होगी जिसकी इम्यूनिटी पावर मजबूत होगी। जिसकी इम्यूनिटी पावर वीक होगी उसके ऊपर कोई भी बैक्टीरिया अटैक कर सकता है, ये बात सत्य है। लेकिन ऐसी स्थिति में जहां देश एक विपत्ति काल से गुजर रहा है, किसी चीज को बगैर सरकार से लाइसेंस लिए,
दिनेश जी मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ, देखिए आपकी इम्यूनिटी बेहतर हो जाएगी
करके कहना,
इम्यूनिटी बेहतर हो जाएगी, उससे चीजें ठीक हो जाएंगी,
हाँ, बस
समझ में आता है। लेकिन ये दावा कर देना कि 3 दिन में 70% लगभग मरीज रिकवर कर गए, कोविड नेगेटिव हो जाएं, आपको लगता है कि इनकी दवाई की अच्छे से जांच होनी चाहिए कि ये 3 चीजें जो इन्होंने बताई उसमें हैं वो तो है ही, लेकिन ये दावा करने के लिए आपने
इन्होंने जो कहा है, इन्होंने जो बोला है टीवी के ऊपर, पूरे देश ने सुना है, उस बात को लेकर के सरकार को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए और उस दवाई को मंगा करके भी इसकी पूरी तरह से ऑथेंटिसिटी जानिए, अन्यथा जो आज इन्होंने कहा कल को 10 लोग और भी कहेंगे।
ये बहुत
मेरी
वेरी
3 दिन में
इंपॉर्टेंट
ठीक
पॉइंट
होती है, मैं
प्रोफेसर
24
गीता
घंटे में
भट्ट।
ठीक कर दूंगा।
प्रोफेसर भट्ट, टुडे इट इज रामदेव, you know, he has
एक कहेगा
some
मैं 8 घंटे
considerable
में ठीक
amount
कर
of
दूंगा,
clout
ये तो
among
फिर
his
सरकार
followers.
क्या करेगी?
Tomorrow it can be anyone else.
Yes, I totally.
Any
yes,
person
you're right.
will claim that they have found the cure, and they will use the vulnerability of people at this moment to sell their products.
At such a time, it is very important to prove that the notification that was taken out by the Ayush Mantralaya, it is the Gazette notification of April 2020, which basically lays down the various procedures that have to be followed if any kind of an Ayurveda intervention medicine is being prepared for through research. Now, for that, it is important that the concerned person as well as Patanjali, they should come out and tell, in fact, that whether in terms of it is the institutional ethics committee, whether they have gone to them, whether they have taken an approval from them, which is very important if you are going to take out any kind of
Sure.
trial. So what are the various
Sure.
norms, whether they have been followed.
Okay.
Then there is another
Okay. So
body,
I guess now
CTRI,
it will be
that is the
interesting to hear
registration
from
so it is important
Yoga
that we
Guru
should come
Ramdev
out.
himself,
Come
and
out
also
in
from the
public
government. Thank
and
you very
tell
much,
about
Geeta Bhatt, as well as Dinesh Upadhyay, for joining us. It will be interesting to hear from the government as well as Mr. Ramdev, if he can satisfy or satisfy the government on all the claims that he has made. Are these claims correct? And if not, then what sort of action can be taken against Baba Ramdev, because this is a fault claim, this is a wrong claim, and it is almost amounts to deceit and cheating. Thank you so much, Dinesh Upadhyay as well as Geeta Bhatt, for joining us.